Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of the SEIKO Melodies in Motion Musical Wall Clock, Festival Edition. This exquisite timepiece features a mesmerizing golden skyline with fireworks that light up the night sky, creating a captivating visual display every hour. As the dial opens and spins with a rotating pendulum, you'll be serenaded by one of 45 high-fidelity melodies, including 15 classical music box tunes, 6 holiday favorites, and 24 classic crystal bell melodies, with 6 new additions this year. Adorned with 22 sparkling Preciosa crystals, this clock is a stunning centerpiece, enhanced by a faux marble frame that complements any room decor. Powered by 4C batteries, which are included, and equipped with crystal quartz movement, it ensures precise timekeeping. Plus, the smart light sensor guarantees that the clock remains silent in the dark, allowing you to enjoy its beauty without disturbance. Experience the magic of this SEIKO masterpiece and let it bring a touch of elegance and melody into your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.